Some abusive men are not interested in sex. And for crystal clarity, I am not saying that not wanting sex is abuse. That's crazy. This video is about abusive men specifically who are not interested in sex with their female partners. It's a myth that all male abusers are coercing sex. Here's the list of reasons as outlined in Why Does He Do That by Lundy Bancroft. A substantial portion of abusive men are shallow and only want sex from women that they haven't already had sex with. They're not interested in deep connection. He may have only been attracted to you when you idealized him. That type of abuser, they'll never find their dream girl because she doesn't exist. Those men, they want women with perfect bodies, just like the airbrushed models in magazines. Some abusers only want sex that involves domination. We're not talking about consensual kinks, guys. Some abusive men will punish you for challenging them. It's common for abusive men to use sex as a control tactic. Some abusive men are having an affair and they're getting it somewhere else. It could also be drugs or alcohol. Some substance abusers lose their sex drive. He could be gay. A small number of abusers have admitted to being gay. And these abusers, they would never admit that to their partners. An abuser may ration out sex as a way to gain power. They can sense that you'll try extra hard to make them happy. And let's remember how a trauma bond is formed. It forms when there's positive reinforcement and abuse, highs and lows. Wanting lots of sex, not wanting lots of sex. What has your experience been like? If you want to learn more about the ways that sexual coercion can present itself in relationships, check out my webinar, Isn't Sex My Right? Why Sexual Coercion is Abuse. I'll be interviewing a panel of 5 experts, a clinical psychologist, a sex therapist, a pastor, a survivor, and a reformed bad husband. It's an inclusive event because both men and women can be the perpetrators of sexual coercion.